So I'm back for the varsity level for the MECC round 2 in 2025. The junior level went quite well, at least from a grade perspective, but yeah, I was somehow not always that 100% sure about the naming or the instructions, so let's see how the varsity level will go. I think here I'm more under time pressure, but yeah, since I've pre-qualified, do not need to have full points, or at least I do not even need to file here on time. So yeah, let's see how it will go. I have also my lambdas here. It could be the case that this time I'll use them, but yeah, never mind. Let's jump into it, guys. Yes, I know, I want to continue. So varsity level. Here we are. Okay, it's basically the same as in the adult competition. Is it 100% the same? It's not, but at least the first level. Okay, so if it's a number, then we want to have the character based on this number. Otherwise, we want to have the code based on the character. So basically switching with the if function. It's quite easy. Level 2 is the same, but in this case, we're using so-called Unicode characters, not only 256, but more characters. So we need here Unicode and Unichar, but the rest is the same. And here we go to something shifted. Okay, now I need my lambdas. Move to the varsity level. Because I have there, you can get my lambdas on my channel, and I have there something especially for this. It's called the ladder offsetter. But you can also do this with code and mod, or like so I would do this with code of this minus 64, and then this plus this, and mod minus 1 divided by 26. It's 7, and then back into jar. It's jar plus 64. Is this right? It's 8 minus 1. Plus 65, because I've subtracted here a 1. Therefore, I need to do 1 more again, and it's basically the same as my lambda is doing. Here you do basically the same. My lambda can do this, and also here this offset stuff from above will lead to the same result. Yes. Okay. Now we need to do this for a whole word. I use my lambda here and map all of this in. So here map lambda a, and this is the letter. I need to split this. So I either use a split lambda. I have here split lambda, and then concat everything together. These are extra Excel functions. Or what you could also do is, instead of the split lambda, use mid sequence len of the text, number of characters 1. It's basically the same as my split lambda. So this is even going smoother than the junior level. But let's see. Okay, I think we can copy it down. Yes, because the shift, if you apply this right will not hurt your approach. Okay, now it's getting kind of harder, but it's the last level. So something is decrypted with those days of the week. Each of the following encrypted strings starts with the day of the week. Work out what this shift is. Okay. So how do I as ending? Oh no, this is the start. So here, this is something shifted with which then by X is giving out the day of the week, and then we should apply this chiffer to the last word here. So KM, which is then case. Okay, I think I will try first a shift of 18. Yeah, this is my starting point. Let's write it from scratch. Map split text into letters array lambda. Get it on my get those lambdas on my channel. Text before the first space, and then lambda a, and now concat offset no chiffre. I had even something for whole text. Okay. I did not knew this would save me some time in the adult competition. Okay, so it's even easier, and then I can map, let's map 26. It needs to be 26 lambda a, and then I get all those letters, and now by applying search this in here, because you see here down below there's Tuesday, I get a number. No, I don't get a number. I think I need to switch. I need to search for this text in here. Is it right? Sorry guys. The other way around. Oh no, I can't use search. I need to use xmatch and then match this value in here. Yeah, for sure. Dump Julian. So then I get a number where there is a match. Then with is number, I get true and false values. And then I do another xmatch for true in here. And now I know, okay, it's shifted by 17. Let's check it with the example. It's shifted by 18. And then I can simply use this. And now I know that I can also offset whole text. I want to offset the text after the last space. In this case, instance number -1. Offset value is given here. Yes, should be fine. There's a typo. Yeah. I don't need a equal sign there. Okay. Drag it down. Done. All levels done. 8.5 minutes. That is good. What is the largest shift in level 3? Okay. So basically a max. Of those 19. Convert our characters in level 2 today. Okay, bonus sheet. This is too large. Level 2 to the Unicode, average of Unicodes, round to the nearest integer. Only level 2, yes. So and then if is number, we want to have the number because it's already the Unicode number, and otherwise we want to have Unicode. And then here the average is 4445. With a double click you can copy it. And then we need to round, so pay attention to this. 4445. Okay, exclude all examples. Level 2. What is the longest message in level 7 as measured as the number of words? Answer number of words in the longest message. Okay, as all words are split by, I think exclude examples, but you never know. Let's check. Exclude the example. Okay, as all characters are split by a space, we can do either use my lambda, count letter in text, and the letter can also be a space. No, first the text, then the letter. I do not use it that often. Drag it down, you have the answer, it's 11. And otherwise you can use len minus len substitute out the space against nothing. And it's the basis of this lambda, always answer 11. Copy it in here. Within the messages worksheet, how many times does the most frequent Excel crime occur? Okay. So first filter if this is equals yes. It's a long list. Okay, that's the point. And then either you have a lambda for this, answer is 15, or you can also do this in a single formula with group by. These are my row fields and my values. I want to count, and here I can use also a filter array, and filter should be yes. And now I want to have this sorted after the second column in descending order. And it's basically the same table as here in a single formula, and the answer is 15. We're good in time. With the encrypted strings in level 7, how many times does the most used letter appear? Encrypted? Encrypted means this. Okay, I have a lambda for this. Count most of char in area. Case sensitivity doesn't matter. So B appears 37 times. But let's see, we can also do this from scratch. So first concat this. There we get all letters concatenated together. It's a huge string. And then we can do substitute C, so len of C minus len of substitute C. The old text is, in this case, AA. To show you this, the new case is nothing. 22 times an A. And now we use here the alphabet either by a lambda, so I have A to set horizontal. Yes. Which is then used here, and you can see, okay, it's 37. Or you can use here char sequence 26 plus 64, close the bracket, and you have the same result. Is the question, what is the answer? How often or the letter? How many times? Okay, yeah, so I think it was the B with 37 times, but let's check. Count letter in text. No, not count letter in text. Most of char in area. Yeah, 37 times. So, yeah, this should be fine. Okay, we can also check the hints here. H&M, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. You unusual single character, yes it is. Indeed. Yes, yes, yes. Yesy, yesy, yesy. INS, yes. MPW, WVC. And I think largest shift is straightforward. And this is also, let's double check. 4445, yes. Longest message. Double checked. How many times Excel crime? It's done here by 2 ways. And here, how many times does the most used letter appear? In this case, I assume that space is not a letter. Where have we done it? Down here. So space is not a letter, so it's B. So let's see how we have done it. How we have done, sorry. By uploading it. We're kind of in time. My clock is showing 13 minutes left. More or less 14 minutes left. Yes, varsity level. Submit it. 100% please. Oh, something was wrong. What was wrong? Okay. It could be a bonus question. Times 1250 times divided by 100 times 4. So 50 points lost somewhere. So a bonus question. So let's double check the bonus questions. This here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I know what I made wrong. I forgot to add there 1 because I'm only counting here those spaces. And I forgot about here, these are 4 words. Okay, sorry guys. Now you know how to solve it. Yes, number of words. Yeah, damn. It's a simple mistake I could have done by double checking, but yeah, that's the problem with the bonus questions, or like the hiccup you can face sometimes. Okay, anyways, it was kind of a good level. I think, yeah, I like this case a little bit more than the Junior Varsity Level case, but Adult Kate was better. So yeah. I hope you did well in this round. If you have any questions, feel free to answer them in the comments. And yeah, I hope to see you on this channel soon. Thank you. Bye.